Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some Cajun shrimp and bacon grits at the pit, and it's real easy to do.
This video is brought to you by Low Gravity Grilling Ideas for the Final Frontier by Dr. Bobby Fame.
Täna ma lähen Marsile ja ma olen juba lugenud seda raamatut.
What'd he say? I'm gonna cook up a mess of Georgia grits. I hope you like them. Okay, grits coming up. Stir them up. Now I'm gonna put just a pinch of black pepper in there just to add some flavoring. As you can see, it's thickening up.
So we've got some 21 to 25 count shrimp, peeled, tails on. We'll leave the tails on. It's a good little handle. And into this mix, we're gonna add some smoked paprika, some oregano, some black pepper, some onion powder, some red chili flakes. Actually, it's ground chili with flakes. This is fresh lemon thyme and some garlic. So let's give that a good mix. Oh, I forgot to put this in. I'll put that in as well. What the hell? Too humid. Bust that up a bit. No big deal. Okay, and we're going to put about 2 pounds of these in. So there they go. Just give it a good mix around, make sure they're all coated. All right, so we're going to put these over direct heat, and they're not going to take very long to cook. They've been in the refrigerator, but they're still going to be quick. So we'll let them sit for a couple of minutes till the temperature comes up just a little, and then we'll stick them straight on the hot grill and cook them until they're pink. All right, these are going to cook pretty fast, so we'll just get them on here. Spread them out. Gonna put these on the grits with a little bit of smoked bacon.
Steaming hot.
Steaming hot. Whew, look at that. Put a nice pile of grits on there.
Get it all.
Ooh, yeah. Gritty. Even the dogs want. Settle down, dog.
She's hungry.
Let's put some of these on there.
Lord have mercy.
That's a big plate. Be careful.
Man, thank you.
No problem. Dog's looking for some. Bacon.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Some good eating. Oh, yeah.
It's good. To get the exact recipe, head on over to our website. And remember, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.